sounded like good morning, teacher. Today is our second last day in Dubai. We are heading down for breakfast right now and we are going to the theme park today and also Jason Derulo's concert tonight. So yay, it's gonna be a really fun and exciting day. Hopefully the sun is not gonna be too hot, but I got my jacket here so I'm gonna keep my arms protected. We are on our way to the Dubai Parks, resorts and parks, and it's a theme park, so I'm very excited. And hopefully they've got really nice and fun rides. I will show you guys later in a bit. But the journey is 40 minutes, so I think I'm gonna get some, enjoy a little bit of my coffee, my banana, and your company. We're in the Dubai Resorts and Park. It is the biggest theme park here. In fact, in the world, if I'm not wrong, it's the biggest theme park in the world with 3 theme parks and 1 river like park, which is kind of like the water activities and stuff. If you come over here, you can like just spend the whole day here and it's huge. Oh my god. I'm in motion in Dubai. Hey, there's a Hunger Games one over here. Let's go. I hope it's fun, like those kind of, I don't know, 3D thing. Maybe they can show us how like they make the movie. It's a Hunger Games area. Woo! Katniss Everdeen. That's me.
I volunteer as tribute.
Okay lah, but the ride looks a bit scary, so I don't think I'm gonna go on top. Suddenly my world looks green and weird, but we are doing this 4D ride. It's kinda cool, at least. We just did the ride and all of the other passengers, they are like super excited, I would say. I think the graphics were pretty well done. If you watch the movie, you will like this. Oh my gosh, they're blowing snow! I love the atmosphere here. It's super hot by the way, guys. And actually, it's so coincidental that I'm wearing like a fur jacket. It does look like I'm actually in a very cold country, doesn't it? The whole fountain full of all of the DreamWorks characters. So we have How to Train a Dragon, Shrek, we've got Kung Fu Panda. Wow! Let's go into the Kung Fu Panda world. Oh my gosh. We're done with the show. It's really good. I like this one so much better. What about you?
Yeah, I think it was good.
It was good, right?
Splash water on your face.
Yeah. But I really like it. Like, I think the entire production level is super high. And this whole place is just transformed. Like, look at that! That's the flying noodle teacup ride. There's Shrek too! Alright, we are gonna be going on a ride. So excited! Lunchtime! We're done with lunch! Right now we are going to the next theme park, which is also within the same area. This is the Bollywood Park. If you're into Bollywood, I'm sure this is like amazing for you. I personally don't know Bollywood, so I'm only here for the structures because I really like the architecture and it looks very nice actually. See the entrance? It's so pink!
What is this person doing?
The music just makes me want to move. the Hapto Palace, and there's a Christmas market that is going on right now. I'm so excited. The last time we went to a Christmas market together was actually in Europe, and we spent a lot of time at Christmas markets back then, and I just love it because it's so festive. The weather is damn good. And check this out. This is a very big Christmas tree. It's beautiful. There are lots of food here, a lot of people just having fun, chilling with their families. So nice. Yay, we ordered some crepe, and over here they have like these coupons which you can buy. Yeah, we ordered some crepe! Time we are going to the Global Village. It is a place that apparently has a lot of different cultures and different structures to represent like the different countries, so that you get to learn more about them. And this place is massive. Oh my god, we thought that was all, but look at this. Got my acai bowl. Morning everyone! So today, first thing on the agenda is to come to the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding. This is the one over here. And apparently it's a center where you can do tours to learn more about Dubai's culture and history and so on. So let's go!
Spoke to serpent, and he made a kingdom for and they lasted for 100.
So cute, they dressed up the little kids.
What do you want?
Right, we are done with the tour session. It was super insightful. I really highly recommend this place to you guys. You guys can book it through their Instagram called SMCCU Dubai. Yeah, I think if you're interested in like the whole culture, the whole history, like they're super open. You can ask them any questions and they will be very happy to answer you. And you get a free meal over here, like where everyone gets to try their traditional dishes, and you can just sit here and eat with everyone who's on the tour as well.
Thank you.
It's like a donut with some glaze on top. Lunchtime, lunchtime, lunchtime. The Nando's here is so good that we ordered the third one. Already finished like one each, and this is the third one. Alright, we have reached the sand dunes. Dubai is very famous for their sand dunes, and it's Matt's first time. So we're gonna do an Arabian Adventure. Everything is all planned for. We signed up for this tour with Arabian Adventures, and there's gonna be like a lot of things like camel riding. You know, you can like watch the falcon, you can do sand dune bashing. That's gonna be the highlight. I've done it before, and it's definitely something you have to do when in Dubai. That's what they tell me. So yay! Right now, what they're doing is that they're deflating like the tires so that they can go onto the sand and just maneuver easier on the sand. So cool, right? Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, guys. They're camels.
Anyway, so he'll be doing closer to about 120 kilometers per hour today. Doesn't sound fast, trust me when it's this spot you're in, it is very fast.
What do you think?
We're gonna start doing the sentence. So we are gonna be having our dinner here. Here are like souvenirs. You can do your henna. So pretty. Alright, it is now dinner time, and also they have prepared like a belly dancing show for us later on. So how was your sand dune experience?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it's actually a bit chilly over here, so if you are coming, please remember to bring like a jacket or something. So yeah.
It's quite a cool camp.
Yeah, actually this place is so nice. Like, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. Everything is very, very well planned. So we had our very, very knowledgeable guide that kind of taught us, kind of explained a lot of things to us as well, and brought us to like the really nice places in the desert. And we saw the sunset, which was super nice.
Yeah, all the installations in Dubai, there's a lot of effort to put inside. You see, every time you come into a new place, it seems like you're like transported into a new like town.
Yeah, so just feels like we went back in time. So this is our appetizer. Ooh, I don't know what this is. It's a chicken dish.
Chicken sandwich, I think.
Yeah. I'm now at the airport. It is 3 AM. I'm totally dead beat because we didn't get to sleep, but I just want to say like this trip has been so fulfilling and very, very fun. I got to see a lot of Dubai that I never thought I would, and really get to experience a lot of things, even though it's like I've done some of the things before in my previous trips, but being with Ned on this trip really was just really nice, and we are super blessed. So I really highly urge you guys, for those who have always wanted to try to come to Dubai and see Dubai and travel here. You know, I used to think that there wasn't many things to do, but really after this trip it totally changed my perspectives of this entire place. So yeah, I'll see you guys in Singapore. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and have a good night. Bye!